What's going on, guys? So it's been a while since I spoke to you guys. I'm gonna say about 3-4 months. So today I decided to make a video for you guys, and in this video I'm gonna be talking about quite a few things. I'm gonna be showing you two different products that I am selling, and this is two out of many products that I sell. I strongly encourage you guys, no matter what products I sell, whether it's iPhones, PS4s, Nintendo Switches, things like that which are obvious, or the products that I'm showing you today, or products that I've showed in the previous video, for example fake AirPods. Just remember, your city, your location might turn out different than mine. Right now I live in a big city populated with a lot of people, so I try to focus on my city, try to see what products work in my city, and I strongly encourage you to do the same. Don't just copy whatever products I have. Some products that I do have may work in your city, some products might not. Also, I know I haven't been making a lot of videos lately. I do want to come back and start making some videos at least maybe once a week, once a month. It depends how busy I am. The moment I do have time, or I find time, I try my best to record a video for you guys, and I'm hoping in the future I'm gonna have more stock market videos, more reselling videos, anything related to money, because after all, that's what this channel is about. But either way, let's get this video started. What's going on, guys? So it's been a while since I spoke to you guys. I mean, it's been so long I pretty much forgot how to YouTube, but here I am. I'm attempting to come back. I just received some mail, and today I'm going to be opening a package. So I'm going to be exposing one of my secret packages today. We're going to open this package together. We're going to see what it is. But once again, guys, whoever is here, whoever is watching, thank you for supporting, thank you for watching, thank you for liking. So here it goes. I'm going to get my first secret package. 1 minute. I guess I'm just gonna open it up right here. Now guys, be careful when you're playing with knives. So now the moment of truth. Dun, dun. Wow, look at that. Oh my god, are you kidding me? The funny thing is, I'm supposed to sell these things as brand new. So here we go. We're gonna post this one up. Let's post this up as brand new, factory sealed, never played with, never touched, ready to be gifted. How am I supposed to sell this as brand new? What the hell were they doing at Canada Post? These guys are breakdancing on my Lego. We're playing WrestleMania. Someone body slammed it. Who do you blame? Do you blame the supplier, or do you blame the shipping company? Like, what is this? I'm not happy. What would you guys rate this? These are two samples I was gonna test out. I think I ordered it just at the worst time ever, especially with the whole George Floyd thing. I don't even know if I'm gonna post this video. Yes, just in case you guys haven't seen enough police brutality on the news, let your kids play with it. Either way, I'm gonna post this up for sale, and we're gonna see if I'm gonna sell it. Maybe at the end of this video, I'm actually gonna sell these. There's only one way to find out. So there's two ways to post it. I could post it on my computer, I could post it on my phone. I think I'm just gonna post it on my phone right now. For this one, I decided to order 2 samples. If I like it, I'll order more. This is how 2 came. Imagine if I ordered 100. Imagine if I ordered a lot of these. I would not be a happy camper. Surprisingly, these bags are in great shape. So that's not bad. So I'm pretty much gonna explain to you why I ordered the police whole thing. Okay, because there's another set that I've been ordering, and it has been very successful. I'm gonna show you guys what a package should actually look like, and a product that I've actually bought and tested. I'll be back. So this product right here has been pretty successful. Right here we have what I advertise as a princess castle. Ta-da! This has been popular because, first of all, the whole COVID thing, the whole Corona thing, everyone was home, kids were bored, kids were being homeschooled, kids are stuck and glued to the TV. So products like this, it's not actually Lego, it's Kogo. You notice how this package is nice and shiny, and I'm like, you know what, these princess castles are a big hit. I want to get something for the boys, you know? This one was a little more expensive, as you can see the size difference, 715 pieces versus 167 pieces. This one, how am I supposed to sell this brand new? So yeah, kind of sucks. I don't know what I'm gonna do. You know what I could do? I could just build it myself. I could build this. I could just live my childhood dreams, not playing with police SWAT Lego, but I used to love playing with Lego. I could build the truck, I could build it all. 100 thumbs up and I'll build this truck. Just kidding, I'm doing it either way. Clearly, never ordering from this company again. This company, definitely gonna order some more. This, hell no. So, thumbs up for this company. Just leave a comment for this company about how much we paid them. Why don't I post it? Let me check how much I paid for it. I got ripped off, that's for sure. So yeah, I paid quite a hefty price for them. I paid $16 for each pack. That's including shipping and everything. I'm gonna try to sell it for $30. So I have a few pictures that I've taken offline. I'm probably gonna show them on the screen. And now I'm just gonna post them. I'm just gonna show you guys just how easy it is to do this. So first, we're gonna start a new post. I'm gonna choose the best pictures that I think are suitable for this ad. I'm gonna have a brand new, it's a 3-in-1, brand new 3-in-1, 715 pieces, building blocks. Police SWAT. You know what, at the end I'm just gonna put Lego. You know what, I don't want to put Lego in the title because some people are gonna be upset. 715 building blocks. Please note that the box has been slightly damaged. Nah, you know what, let's say extremely. Yeah, I was just joking, I wasn't gonna put that. Please note that the box has been damaged. Everything is brand new. I'll put it in the category of toys and games. I'm gonna post the ad, and just like that, my ad has been posted. Boom, just like that. And now, if I'm smart, the best way to do this is just copy this. I'm gonna go into the Letgo app, the same thing. We're just gonna go into toys and games. We're gonna go baby child, and this will be under the category. I'm just gonna choose these real quick, choose my favorite pictures. Doesn't matter what pictures at this point. Put it as toys, the title right here. I'm just going to paste the title, and if I'm smart, I'm going to do the same with the description, so that way you save the time of having to type everything over and over again. So now I have the description ready. The price, $30. Boom, condition, new. Description. Since I already have the description ready, just paste it. And boom, shakalaka, just like that. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up. We got a new post posted for, I don't even know why I'm showing you guys, but I'll show you guys even though you're going to see it on the screen. Duh. So yeah, one thing I did forget to do, I did forget to post it to Facebook Marketplace, which I am going to post it on as well. If you want to put even more effort into it, you can also post it on Amazon, you can post it on eBay, you can post it on Craigslist. It doesn't matter. If you're from the States, there's a lot more different apps that you could post any of these products. So I did it. I sold it. I do have the conversation, and I showed you guys the ad, how quick it took me to post that ad, and the sale actually came from Letgo. I'm gonna cover their name. They messaged me if it's available. I'm like, yes, it's available. So I said I have a new one, but the box was damaged. You guys seen the box, how badly it was. I'm like, if you care about the condition of the box, I have one in good condition for $40. I just kind of said that just to show them, like, you know what, you're getting a discount on this one. Basically, because the box is damaged, you want to pay $10 more for a better box, go for it. And then he's like, I don't care about the box. He's gonna take the $30 box. So I'm like, what time? Blah, blah, blah. And I gave him my number, and we ended up meeting. He texted me the next day. I sold that for $30, but that's almost 100% gains. But you guys see how easy that was. Even with a damaged, destroyed box, I still almost managed to double my money just like that. It took me about 2 minutes. You guys see me post the ads. It took me about 2 minutes to post the ads. And on top of that, I had a little fun because I did end up building one of them. But anyways, that was just a quick little video. Hopefully it was a fun video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, don't forget, give me a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell. Smash that subscribe button. And leave some comments down in the comment section. I have missed you guys. I'm sorry I don't post as much. I'm going to try my best to be making more videos, not just about reselling, but I also want to be talking about the stock market. I want to update you guys on my portfolios, things like that. And if you're new here, don't forget, hit that notification bell, smash that subscribe button. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.